Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kakenhun menteri hanagasngi hagajing kendo lang kile menjur ban penkala yak Meghalaya School Service Rules arajar arpusan ban ailat yakino hikai bakin yo yakalat ban kiu khamtam yakito ki bahikai haki lower primary school hapo kanikaan bathamai kino hikai LP kim yo yakalat ban kiu Kyrdan bat ailat bakin yo ban kiu Kyrdan kum ki senior teacher menteri rangba ulapen bena bakilarai bat menjur yakani batkan ailat yakino hikai ban kiu Kyrdan kidon shibun kino hikai ki bane haju hakini kisnam baladap habawan ra yak jingbom sngotanat bat bom yahap habo katanat puli puthi.
The third decision was for the approval of the Meghalaya School Service Rules 2025. This basically has been done because in the past service rules there was very less scope for promotion when it came to the LP school teachers and assistant teachers, and they would be stuck in a certain position for many years, and there were limited scope for promotion, which also created a bit of conflict between different sections in the education department. And hence, after deep consultation with different associations, the education department has today amended the rules. As I said, this is the Meghalaya School Service Rules 2025, and this is going to pave way for a better scope of promotion when it comes to government LP school teachers.